Good afternoon, everyone. By the way, I am Chiril Maligon Karuro. Our lesson for today is all about the role of technology in curriculum delivery. Trends and impact of educational technology. Educational technology is rapidly evolving, reshaping how teaching and learning happen. The passage highlights three major trends. First is shape to student-centered learning. So education is moving away from teacher-led instruction toward approaches that prioritize students' engagement, autonomy, and active learning. So it means teaching is evolving from a traditional teacher-led model to one that empowers to take charge of their learning. So now let's proceed to the number 2. So focus on holistic development. So learning is no longer just about delivery facts. It now aims to cultivate multiple dimensions of intelligence, cognitive, emotional, affective, physical, and psychomotor, and contemplative thinking. So it means educational now aims to nurture that whole child, not just their intellect. So next is number 3. So rise of ICT information and communication technology. So the use of computer and digital tools in education is expanding quickly. Affordable desktop computers are becoming common in home business, accelerating this information. So it means digital tools are becoming central to how education is delivered and access technical knowledge. So the primary rules of educational technology is delivery, the school curriculum, instructional program have been identified. First is upgrading the quality of teaching and learning in schools. Second, increasing the capability of the teachers to effectively inculcate learning and for students to gain mastery of the lesson and courses. Third is broadening the delivery of education outside school through non-traditional approaches to formal and informal learning, such as open universities and lifelong learning to adult learners. Last is revolutionizing the use of technology to boost educational paradigm shape that give importance to students centered and holistic learning. Technological content knowledge. So this is the knowledge of how to use various technologies, tools, and resources. So this include understanding standard technologies like computers and the internet as well as more. So it means knowing how to use digital tools or resource effectively. Like for example is operating computer, using the internet, navigating educational app, and troubleshooting teach issues. And next is content knowledge. So this is the teacher's knowledge of the subject matter to be taught. It includes knowledge of concept, theories, ideas, and facts, as well as the organizational framework within the discipline. So it means content knowledge is deep understanding of the subject matter being taught. Like for example is a math teacher knowing algebra formulas or a history teacher's understanding key historical events and theories. Next is pedagogical contents knowledge. So this refers to the teach deep knowledge about the process and teaching and learning. It includes understanding of classroom management, student assessment, and lesson planning. So pedagogical knowledge, it means it expertise in teaching methods, learning process. Like for example, classroom management, lesson planning, student assessment, differentiated instruction. So now let's proceed to the technical pedagogical content knowledge. So this is the most complex form of knowledge as the intersection of all three key components. So it is the understanding of how to integrate technology effectively into teaching specific content to enhance student planning. So it means it is the sweet spot where technology, pedagogy, and contents meet. So example is using stimulation to teach basic concept or interactive timelines to explore historical events. And next is content, technological content knowledge. So this describes the relationship between technology and content. So it is the understanding of how to technology can be used to represent can be specific subject matter. So it means technological contents knowledge, it is understanding how to technology can present and enhance subject content. Like for example, is using graphing software and visualize math equation or digital math to teach geography. Next is pedagogical content knowledge. This is the intersection of pedagogy and content knowledge. It is the understanding how to teach specific subject matter, so including knowledge of what makes certain topics easy or difficult to learn, how the common misconceptions student may have. So pedagogical content knowledge, it means knowing how to teach specific content effectively. Like for example, using storytelling to like to teach knowing how to using storytelling to teach literature or hands-on to teach science. Next is technical pedagogical knowledge. So this is the understanding of how various technologies can be used in teaching and learning, so independent of the subject matter. It includes knowledge of the pedagogical affordance and constraints of different technologies. So it means technical pedagogical knowledge, it is understanding how technology affect teaching strategies. Like for example, is knowing when to use a video for flip learning or how to online quizzes can support of formative assessment. So there have a 10 criteria for the use of visual aids. First, lettering style or font consistency and harmony. Number 2, number of lettering style, no more than 2 in aesthetic display. Chart bulletin board. Number 3, use of capitals, short title or headlines should be no more than 6 words. Number 4, lettering colors is easy to see and read. Use of contrast is good for emphasize. And number 5, lettering size, good visibility for use for students at the back of the classroom. Number 6, spacing between letters, equal and even spacing. And number 7, spacing between lines, not too close as to blur and distance. Number 8, number of lines, no more than 8 lines of text in each transparency slide. And number 8, appeal and usually catchy two-dimensional interactive use of overlay or movable flaps. Number 10, use of directional device arrows, bold letters, bullets, color and size of special placement of an item. And that's all. Thank you.